All of us in crypto want to increase our chances of making money in this market, and many of us ultimately want to convert that money into Bitcoin positions. The best way to accumulate Bitcoin over time to hold as a long-term investment is by using a strategy called dollar cost averaging, or DCA for short. What is dollar cost averaging? Dollar cost averaging is when we decide on a certain amount of funds we would like to put towards an investment at a certain frequency. For example, let's say we decide to start buying $100 worth of Bitcoin once per week every Monday morning. So over a long period of time, we are consistently investing in Bitcoin regardless of the price. This is dollar cost averaging, and this strategy is meant to decrease our exposure to price volatility, which is a better strategy than buying large sums of Bitcoin sporadically trying to catch a low. Simple enough, right? Now here's what's interesting. We've explored the dollar cost averaging strategy many times on the channel together, and about 2 years ago now, I discovered a superior way of executing it, a way that actually helps us make profit in the crypto market to convert into Bitcoin. And now, just over the past month, the strategy has fully evolved, now completely automated and supercharged. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and in this video, we are going to explore how to intelligently automate our dollar cost averaging strategies to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies we want to build substantial positions in over time, like Ethereum or XRP, at the best possible prices, while actually making money in the crypto markets exactly how Wall Street does, to build our wealth effortlessly using AI. Let's hit it. All right, to understand exactly how the strategy works, we need to understand why other strategies do not work. Here's the deal. We are getting ripped off by Wall Street, big institutional players, professional traders, and insiders because they use and weaponize market data that isn't readily available to retail investors like us. When we decide to simply buy $100 worth of Bitcoin every week, and when we even decide to simply trade crypto, we are never ever buying or selling it at a better price than them, which makes a traditional DCA strategy a lot less effective, and it makes it impossible to consistently profit from active trading because we're cannon fodder. We are being exploited. So here's what's happening. Check it out. When we log into our Coinbase account to buy, sell, and trade crypto, we see basic price information like right here. We see the current price of Bitcoin, which is also referred to as the best price, as it relates to the best bid price, which is the highest buy price, the best ask price, and the lowest sell price, and the last traded price. Now this is called level 1 data, which is free and widely available to all of us on level 1 screens, which is basically our trading dashboards on crypto exchanges. So as the term level 1 suggests, there is deeper market data used by Wall Street, institutional and professional investors, called level 2 data. This is accessed on level 2 screens, and it gives them real-time access to the order book for all cryptocurrencies. And here's what it looks like. All of these are orders placed on an exchange, where in addition to seeing the best price available to us on level 1 screens, they also see pending buy and sell orders at various price levels, limit orders, stop loss orders, stop limit orders, trailing stop loss, and limit orders, bracket orders, iceberg orders, OCOs, OTOs, OTOCOs. They see all of the orders, and they also see how many tokens are involved in all of the orders. So this makes them privy to the overall market supply and demand beyond just the current price that we see. Here's a simple example of what we see versus them. On the level 1 screen, if the best ask price is $10 for an order of just 1 token, and on the level 2 screen, there is an order for 100 tokens at $11, and also an order for 200 tokens at $12, we have a way more accurate picture of potential price movements. So basically, institutional and professional players can see the depth of the market, which means they know how many orders and what types of orders exist at each price level. And this lets them, 1, spot large orders that could move the market, like a big buy order at a higher price, signaling potential price increases. 2, anticipate price changes by seeing if there are more buy or sell orders, helping them time their trades better. 3, understand liquidity, helping them avoid situations where there aren't enough buyers or sellers, which can affect trade execution. And 4, weaponize all of this information by actively manipulating the market, bending it to their will. Here's how they do it, for example. They may see many buy orders above the current price, so they buy now knowing that the price is more likely than not going to rise, while we retail investors miss the gains, or in other cases are left holding their bags. We're up against big players that know exactly what's going on in the market. And these players aren't sitting at computers making these trades. It's all completely automated with bots, AI. And since they have access to all of the market data, insider knowledge, and large amounts of capital, This renders the entire cryptocurrency market a rigged casino. They are literally making free money by stealing from us by making the prices go up and down. They have a money printer that pays them every time we buy, sell, and trade crypto. And even though we retail investors can access level 2 data with Coinbase and Coin API, what are we realistically going to do with it? Sit at our computers for hours watching trading data, trying to compete against the game masters themselves. Look, even if the market wasn't rigged and manipulated, their software is trading 24/7, 365 nonstop. A professional trader with decades of experience can't compete with that. So here's the deal. We have been undergoing an extraordinary technological revolution over the past several decades since the dawn of the internet, smartphones, landing rockets on platforms in the ocean, ChatGPT, and now with hyperacceleration and exponential growth engines with artificial intelligence, we have the opportunity to play on par with the game masters and not only dollar cost average into the best possible prices over the long term, we can also capitalize on the volatility of the crypto markets at large, just like institutional and professional traders, and make passive income, doing exactly what they do. Many of y'all already know what I'm talking about and are raving fans. Others remain skeptical and are unfortunately being used, abused, and taken advantage of by the market with level 1 data on the level 1 screen. Right now, we all have the free option of buying $100 of Bitcoin every week at the worst price due to market manipulation, or we have the option of trying to buy altcoins low with hopes of selling them to someone else at a higher price in this rigged market. And now we all have the option to invest in something that gives us an institutional level edge, an AI enhanced robotic crypto trader that has been trained with over 25 years of level 2 stock market data and now over 5 years of crypto market data that was programmed by one of the first employees at Microsoft with over 50 years of programming experience. It's called Go Baby Trade, and I've been using it for over 2 years now. And like many others since we first explored it together back in August 2024, after personally rigorously vetting and testing it out, have been making more money in the crypto markets than just buying and selling altcoins. And as of last year, started using it to dollar cost average into the best Bitcoin price points. And from our weekly webinars every Wednesday, many of y'all have started using it to DCA into XRP, which is awesome. Definitely join me live on the webinars every Wednesday and select Saturdays with the creator Ed Barsano and his amazing team, where we walk through every aspect of the trader, answer any and all questions anyone may have, and gather all of the information to learn more about this insanely unique investment product. Check it out. Go Baby Trade is a fully automated crypto trading and money management platform that is enhanced with AI, or artificial intelligence. Now, there are a lot of so-called AI crypto trading bots on the market. However, there are 3 main differences between this crypto trading platform and all of the others. 1. Crypto trading bots function like tools that experienced traders use to help them actively trade cryptocurrencies in a rigged, manipulated market, mind you. While Go Baby Trade functions like a set it, forget it crypto trading product that doesn't require us to actively trade or make any decisions about when to trade. 2. All of the orders other crypto trading bots place are on the level 2 trading screens that institutional players use to steal money from us and manipulate the market, while Go Baby Trade hides all of the orders it automatically places for us from the level 2 order books, which is awesome. And 3. Other crypto trading bots are using artificial intelligence that has been trained with data collected over just the past few years, while Go Baby Trade is enhanced with artificial intelligence that has been trained with over 25 years worth of trading data. It's literally the difference between a 5-year-old human competing against a 25-year-old. And what's great is the setup is super simple. Anyone can do it. We just link it to our Coinbase or Kraken account, choose the cryptocurrencies we wanted to trade, and let it run. We literally don't have to do anything else. It's been so simple and consistent. It honestly gets kind of boring to look at after a year or so. As far as which exchange to hook it up to, I recommend Coinbase because with their Coinbase One membership, we get the best trading fees and a lot of other cool perks. And what's very important to note is that it does not have any access to your funds at all. It only has permission to buy and sell crypto, not transfer, move, or withdraw crypto. Only you have that power. So let's see it in action real quick, and then I'll show you the one easy click we can make if we want to DCA into certain cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to accumulate over time instead of actively trading it. Logging into our trading account, this is the dashboard. On the left-hand side, there is a section that shows us the value of our Coinbase account, the total profits taken so far today, total profits taken over the past 30 days, total profits taken since we started using the trader, current profits saved, and the current price of Bitcoin. In the middle top section here is our portfolio, and it consists of the cryptocurrencies we've decided to let the trader actively trade, which are ideally cryptocurrencies with a lot of volatility, because it generates more profit from a lot of crazy price action. So trading Bitcoin and Ethereum present less opportunities to generate profit than these mid-cap cryptocurrencies like ACH, GRT, and SHIB with more price swings. Sweet. Next to each cryptocurrency in our portfolio from left to right, we see the currency, how much the price is moving today, the current ask price, the quantity we own, the total market value of what we own, open positions the trader has taken, positions that the trader has closed, our overall total profits versus losses, and then buttons with options to manually add or close positions. From my experience and as we learned from the weekly webinars, I do not recommend doing anything manual. Let the Go Baby Trade algorithm robotically trade the crypto for you. All right, and then in the bottom middle section here, we see all of the filled orders. From left to right, we see each crypto, the action taken, whether opened or closed, the price, the quantity, the reason for the action, which can be that the profit goal was reached, or if all of the add to position rules in the algorithm were passed. And next to each reason an action was taken, AI stepped in to enhance the outcome of the trade, we can see AI listed next to it in parentheses. Pretty neat. Then in the next column, we can see the profit loss, and then the day and time the trade executed. So just in the past day or so, we can see how many actions the trader has taken and how much profit it has generated so far. Cool. So now let's explore how fast and easy it is to set up the ultimate, superior, intelligently automated dollar cost averaging investment strategy. Go to the menu in the top right corner of the dashboard, click Select Currencies, and under the currency column on the left-hand side, type BTC in one of the available blue fields here. Then decide what percentage out of 100% of your funds you would like to allocate to between buying Bitcoin and trading other coins. You can choose manually or simply click this spread percent equally button. And over here to the right under the allow sell column, uncheck that button. That way, the trader is only buying Bitcoin at the best possible prices and not selling, allowing us to accumulate Bitcoin over time and ultimately implement an intelligently automated dollar cost averaging strategy. And right now, at the time of this video, a new feature is in beta testing that will allow us to choose a percentage of profits Go Baby Trade makes from trading altcoins to DCA into Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency we want to dollar cost average into. Further, automating and basically supercharging our DCA strategy. To see it in action, grab a spot on our next weekly webinar by scrolling down and using the link below. We always learn a ton of interesting information and have a good time. And if you decide it's something you'd like to invest in, you get a special $1,000 discount for a 3-year license, which comes out to only about $97 per month or $24 per week, like $3 per day, which is honestly absurdly cheap for what it does in my experience. This thing is a passion project that has helped a lot of people put a simple, straightforward investment strategy in place for dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and making passive income from trading crypto that works. Super simple and straightforward. And as we accumulate Bitcoin to hold over the long term, the only surefire way to completely own and control and secure it is with our own crypto wallets like Tangem Wallet. Tangem is super affordable, extremely easy to set up and use, only takes like 90 seconds. Great for beginners, and using the link below, we can get it for an amazing discount. So scroll down and check it out. Awesome. If you would like to learn about free, easy ways we can accumulate more Bitcoin by setting up direct deposit and using debit cards with Uphold, check out this video. If you would like to learn about Tangem Wallet and how it's the safest and easiest way to completely own and control our Bitcoin for the long term, check out this video. And to get a $1,000 discount for a 3-year license of Go Baby Trade, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.